Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some method to fix Roblox error code 279. Method 1. Check server status. This is the first step in determining what is causing connection problems in most online games. Please use Google search or the link in description to visit game status page. Here, you can view detailed information about the status of the game server. If the server is down, please stop watching this video and play another game, or find something to do like walk your dog, go over to your neighbor's house to play, or whatever you want. Otherwise, please move on to the next method. Method 2. Restart your router. Just turn off the router, then unplug the router from the power outlet. Then wait at least 3 minutes. After that, plug the router back into the power outlet, then it's time to power on the router. Wait for all panel lights on the router to become green on before testing your internet connection. Connect to the network with your PC and test the internet connection. It's always better to test this by connecting with an Ethernet cable if possible. Method 3. Disable IPv6. To do this, press Windows key R, then type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right-click on your internet connection and pick Properties. Scroll down and uncheck the box next to Internet Protocol version 6, TCP, IPv6, to disable it. Click OK. Relaunching the game and see if problem is resolved. Method 4. Use manual DNS. Press Windows key R, then type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right-click on your internet connection and pick Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP, IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses option. On preferred DNS server, input 1.1.1.1. On alternate DNS server, input 1.0.0.1. Now, tick on Validate Settings upon exit. Click OK. Click OK. Once done, relaunching the game and see if problem is fixed. Method 5. Try use VPN. If you are using VPN while launching Roblox, then try disable it or change other servers, then relaunching the game. Otherwise, try using a VPN. There are many VPNs and you can find them through Google search. Here I will use Proton VPN for this test, because it has a free version and its speed is also very stable. When we have a VPN, connect to any server, then relaunch Rollup and see if the problem is fixed. Method 6. Try connecting to a different internet network or the router. If you have more than one router, try replacing the router you are using with another router. We need to do this to eliminate the possibility that the problem is caused by the router's strict security features. If that's not possible, try connecting to a different internet network, such as a neighbor's wireless network, mobile data, etc. After that, if it works, then please contact your internet service provider and ask them to fix this problem for you. If possible, then try to exchange out your router for a newer one. Method 7. Disable or uninstall third-party antivirus software. If you are using third-party antivirus software such as AVG, Norton, Avast, etc., then try disable or uninstall them. Because the antivirus software usually blocks third-party applications or games from running on your system. On the other hand, when you try to update your games or application, the antivirus may cause conflict. Antivirus software or firewall blocks the access of the application, so it is better to disable it. So, it is recommended to turn off your antivirus software to prevent any errors or bugs. Method 8. Clear DNS cache. On your keyboard, press Windows key, then type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and pick Run as administrator. Now, type ipconfig, flush DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, register DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, Release and press Enter. Type IP config, renew and press Enter. Type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Type netsh int IP reset and press Enter. Final, restart your PC, then relaunching Roblox and see if problem is resolved. Method 9. Uninstall and reinstall Roblox. Just press Windows key, then type Roblox. Right-click on Roblox and select Uninstall. After that, visit Roblox homepage or Microsoft Store and download the latest installation. Reinstall the game and everything should be work. Method 10. Factory reset your router. To do that, make sure keep your router plugged in. Next, find your router's reset button. This will be on the back or the bottom of your router. Use a paperclip or similar object to hold down the reset button for 30 seconds. Release the button. Wait for the router to power back on and check if the error code 279 is gone. That's it, guys. Hope this useful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.